Welcome to Arif Kisana's channel. Do you work from home? If you work from home, I think this video is very important for you, and you must watch it because this have very important information, and I think all people who are working from home in these days in Sweden, in European countries and in other countries, I think it will be beneficial for all of you. In Sweden, there was one incident, and in that incident, a person who was 37 years old, he was working from home, and it was last year, 25th of March. His 2-year son came to him, and he threw some toy, and his tooth was broken. And after that, that person appealed to the Swedish National Insurance Agency, which is called Arif Kisana, and he take this argument that as I was working from home, so it means I was at work, and during that time, if I got this injury, so my work insurance should cover, and I should be given the those economical benefit which I am entitled to if it was happened at my work. But the National Insurance of Sweden refused and to approve his application, and they said as it happened at home and it should not be considered that it was the incident at work. After this refusal from the National Insurance, the person appealed to the next court in Sweden, which is called Kammarrätt, the administrative court. But the administrative court also agreed to the Arif Kisana, the national insurance, and refused to accept the appeal of that guy. But he did not give up, and he went to the next court, the Court of Appeal, the Kammarrätt in Sweden. So, and he argued that I was working at home, and it was not my choice. My company ordered me to work from home, and they gave me the assignments, and I have just one room where I am working, and my son was also playing there. So it should be considered that I was at work and I got this injury during my working hours, so I am entitled to get all that compensation which my job insurance have to cover. So the administrative court, the Court of Appeal, the next court of the Court of Appeal, Kammarrätt, agreed and accepted his arguments, and they directed to the National Insurance for Arif Kisana to give him the compensation and consider that he was working from home, but consider that he was at the job place. So I think it's a very important decision. It's a milestone. I think the many people working from home in these days in Sweden, in Europe and other countries, I think the Swedish courts, this decision may be helpful to others, and I hope you like this video, and if you like it, so please share with the others who are working from home, so they should also get the benefit from this information. Thank you.